From that side.
No, see.
बस अभी पानी दे दो ना आप और हम नहीं रहेंगे चलो वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट
मेरे सिद्धों पे यहाँ हो गए
Let me express my first view. The first view is चोर लोग जितना चोरी करते रहेंगे उसको we have to counter by planting more is our philosophy. Today in the whole state we are going to plant more than 6 lakhs of seedlings. Definitely it is going to touch 10 lakhs but we are announcing only 6 lakhs because mortality rate is also there. Now last year we did the same kind of program whereby we planted 5 lakhs. Now second opinion which you wanted to know that what about the tree felling? Forest department is very serious about it. I think you must be knowing some of our rangers, forest guard, foresters, they have been beaten up by the mafias. I have already spoken to Honorable CM of our state that please give me paramilitary forces to strengthen the forest protection unit. He has assured me verbally that 1 battalion of Indian Reserve, TSR battalion is coming back to Tripura. As soon as they come back, the battalion will be handed over to us and then you see how we'll protect because with such mafias or smugglers, with empty hand you cannot combat them. We also need a very disciplined and well-trained people to combat them.
Mortality rate in that case.
Last year, especially we started the last year's plantation survey. I think the mortality rate we can declare that at least 20 to 25% mortality rate is there. So the survival rate is 70-75%. Not bad actually.
And as per the central government's report, some 100 kilometers forest.
Tripura forest is basically not virgin forest. You all know about it. Because in every forest, in every areas of forest area, people are inhabiting there. Not from now, maybe thousands of years back, they used to stay only in forest area. So unlike it is Amazon forest or the forest which we can see in Tamil Nadu or in the southern part of our country, that the forest is their virgin forest. No one goes there. But this happens probably because of not only encroachment, rehabilitation packages also had been declared by Government of India. You know about it. So due to that also this reduction in the forest area could have been found probably. But we are trying to revive the degraded forest land by planting more plants and trees, whatever is possible, as per the working plan of Forest Department.
My last question is, sir, has Jumia's number come down? And moreover, you are aware that a large number of Mizorams, Riang, are the steps taken so that they have some other corners for income also?
See, these questions should have been asked to the Tribal Welfare Department or to the Honorable CM. But still, I am going to answer this. As far as Forest Department is concerned, all our 3 externally aided projects are aiming at making the livelihood project very strong so that the forest dwellers, they can have alternative income sources by not destroying the forest resources. So you already have seen that we are coming up with some mushroom production, fisheries, ARDD. Now we are going for autolomes also. Instead of handloom, we'll go for autoloom. Solar energy is going to be used instead of using the trees for cooking in the forest areas. So several other things we are taking up, and that is why even the World Bank or JICA Authority or Indo-German Development Cooperation, the institutions are giving the money to implement all this project.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
you.